children, today we are going to understand the use of from, until, since and for. And I am going to begin by drawing a timeline here. This timeline covers 5 days. It goes from Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and finally Friday. That is, we have Monday at the beginning of the timeline and Friday at the end of the timeline. We use from when we know both the beginning and the end of the time period. For example, the book fair was from Monday to Friday. Here is the beginning of the time period, that is Monday, and here is the end of the time period, that is Friday. We have both the information, the beginning and the end, and so we can easily say the book fair was from Monday to Friday. Okay, let's revise the second one, that is until. We use until when we know the end of the time period but we do not know the beginning. For example, the book fair was until Friday. Here we have the end of the time period, that is Friday, and here we put a question mark as we do not know the beginning. So our sentence is the book fair was until Friday. Let's come to the third one now, that is since. We use since when we know the beginning of the time period but we do not know the end of the time period. For example, the book fair is going on since Monday. Here we have the beginning of the time period, that is Monday, but we do not know the end of the period. So I put a question mark here, and therefore we say the book fair is going on since Monday. For is used when we do not know the beginning or the end of the time period, but we do know for how long. For example, the book fair was for 5 days. Here is the timeline. I put a question mark here at the beginning and another one here at the end. We do not know the beginning and we do not know the end. So what will our sentence be like? Our sentence would be the book fair was for 5 days. Alright children, that's all. Bye now and have fun with from, until, since and for. And if you have a problem using these words, always draw a timeline first. Thank you.